Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can report a player on Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To report a player in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open your Clash Royale application. The home page or battle page of Clash Royale will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page. You can see various options popped up on the screen. From the displayed options, tap on Settings. Now click on Help and Support option. On the next page, scroll down and click on Safe and Fair Play, then tap on Taking Action. From the drop-down, click on Reporting Disruptive Behavior. From this page, follow the instructions given for what to report a player. You can also mention the player's ID as well. This is how you can report a player in Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.